Introduction. Hey, guys! In this video, we're going to do a fun and exciting science experiment that you can easily do at home with just a few basic materials. We're going to create our very own DIY lava lamp. Materials: clear plastic bottle or glass jar, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer tablets. Instructions. Step 1. Fill your bottle or jar with about 1/4 of water. Step 2. Add a few drops of food coloring to the water and mix it well. Step 3. Pour vegetable oil on top of the water, filling the bottle or jar almost to the top. Leave a small space for the bubbles to form. Step 4. Break an Alka-Seltzer tablet into small pieces and drop them into the oil and water mixture. Step 5. Watch as the bubbles rise to the top and create a mesmerizing effect. Explanation. The science behind this experiment is due to the difference in density between oil and water. Oil is less dense than water, which is why it floats on top of the water. When we add Alka-Seltzer tablets to the mixture, they react with the water and release carbon dioxide gas. The gas bubbles then rise to the top, carrying some of the colored water with them. When the bubbles reach the surface, they pop, and the water falls back down through the oil, creating a lava lamp-like effect. Conclusion. So there you have it, guys, a fun and easy science experiment that you can try at home. Make sure to experiment with different colors and see what kind of cool effects you can come up with. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fun science experiments and educational content.